what type of a son are you and what kind of a father are you?
I'm very very proud of my father. मुझे लगता है कि बहुत कम ऐसे लोग हैं, not as a father, as a person. बहुत कम ऐसे लोग हैं. अगर आप देखें from where he started with nothing in his pocket.
Exactly.
And he struggled for 20 years as an actor. Then he became a producer. Then he became a director. Then to launch his son also he had no money. And he had told his son, okay, I'm not going to make a film for you. Don't think that because you have a director father that I will make a film for you. He told me very clearly, okay, you want to be an actor, which I don't think you should be. He told me that. Yeah. He was very scared. वो बहुत डरे हुए थे कि he did not want his son to go through what he went through for 20 years. क्योंकि as an actor, जब if you don't work, तो it can be a very detrimental individuality तो जो है जो आपकी है
बिल्कुल
it gets shattered because the criticism can really affect you as a you know can
तो उससे वो डरते थे कि कहीं ऐसा नहीं हो जाए.
लेकिन तब भी मैंने उनसे कहा था कि पापा you're my father, I've seen you struggle for 20 years, I am your son, I can do it too, trust me. So I told him that at that time and उसके बाद he didn't say anything. और फिर उनके माइंड में एक सब्जेक्ट आया एंड इट रिक्वायर्ड अ न्यू फेस एंड ही सॉ सम ऑफ माय क्लिप्स फ्रॉम माय एक्टिंग स्कूल व्हाटएवर आई हैड मेड एंड ही डिसाइडेड टू टेक मी. तो ये एक डिसीजन था ऑफ अ डायरेक्टर, नॉट ऑफ अ फादर. तो आई एम प्राउड ऑफ हिम बिकॉज तब से लेके अब तक वो अब भी ही इज ऑन अ मिशन एंड ही मेरे ख्याल से ही इज लाइक द फ्लैग बेरर ऑफ द सिनेमा. इंडियन सिनेमा, आई शडर टू थिंक कि क्या होता अगर वो ना होते. तो there'd be no superhero genre, there'd be no aliens, there'd be the conviction would have never been there in our industry to make films like this. So he started that. So I've learned a lot from him. And as a son, I just want to say that if I'm even 50% of what he is at his age right now, I will be proud of myself. As a father, I don't know what kind of a father I am. I just know that I have immense. जब आपके बच्चे होते हैं, it's actually a nice saying. There's a saying that by the time you realize that your father was always right, you have a son who thinks you're wrong. हालांकि it's not so true right now in my life, but it's a nice saying. लेकिन एक मौका था जब I thought my father was doing, you know, it's not fair, it's not right, because he used to tell me things that this is not your house, this is not your car. You want your car, you want your house, you have to go earn your own. तो ये सब जब एक as a son when I used to hear, I used to get very angry at him. And but it instilled the right. He was a hard man, and I thank him for being hard on me because it's made me the person I am.
Correct.
So I've understood the values, you know.
Correct.
So वही जो values हैं, I'm going to instill in my children. और when you have kids, it's unconditional love. You realize कि unconditional love क्या होता है. अभी जो भी हो, the love that you have for your children. And उससे सीख के you can actually then, you know, create that unconditional love in your life. Correct. With all the people you love. But I'm very I'm full of gratitude, and I'm very happy that I have two beautiful healthy boys, and they have taught me a lot. जब कैमरे पर जब कोई when the director tells me to smile a bit more, I have someone to think of. You know, I have my children to think of. So it's nice, you know, spread joy.
Hrithik, you are a thinking actor. आप ऐसे नहीं है कि अपना काम करके जो डायरेक्टर ने कहा कर लिया. You are a thinking actor. Your father is of course the creator. He creates films. जाहिर सी बात है कि कभी कभार जब आप अपनी फादर की फिल्म में काम करते हैं, डिफरेंसेस ऑफ ओपिनियन होते रहेंगे और होते होंगे. तो ये डिफरेंसेस कैसे रिजॉल्व होते हैं? आप अपने आप को रोकते हैं कि फाइनली ही इज माय फादर सो आई शुडंट, या आर्ग्यूमेंट्स गो ऑन टू एनी एक्सटेंट?
झगड़े
भी होते हैं? जैसे कि
झगड़े नहीं होते, बट नो वी आर फुल इन बैटल ग्राउंड. अगर मेरे माइंड में एक थॉट है और उनके माइंड में एक थॉट है, तो point is that either I have to convince him or he has to convince me. लेकिन जब तक हम लोगों ने एक दूसरे को कन्विंस नहीं किया तब तक
okay.
चलता रहेगा वो. आई विल नॉट गिव अप एंड ही विल नॉट गिव अप.
क्रिश 3 इन पर्टिकुलर में कुछ ऐसी बात हुई होगी. What was the most difficult point of agreement?
डिफिकल्ट पॉइंट ऑफ अग्रीमेंट एक कोई ऐसी कोई चीज याद नहीं आ रही मुझे, लेकिन देयर वर मेनी.
अच्छा, बहुत से.
देयर वर मेनी. और ऐसा होता है और होना चाहिए.
एग्जैक्टली.
अगर दो लोग passionately are working towards one singular goal, then it is fun to battle each other in their thoughts and let the better thought win.
Correct.
So when the better thought wins, now whether it is his thought or my thought,
it doesn't make a difference. Finally, it's for the betterment of the film.
Yeah, absolutely. और एक बार जब अगर शॉट की बात है, अगर शॉट के ऊपर डिस्कशन हो रहा है, तो शॉट के बाद it's forgotten because we've got the best shot. We've got the shot that we decided is the best for the film. और कभी-कभी when I disagree with him, I'm a little bit more. I will think about it. I'll think. You know, because he's the director first of all. He's the father. He knows the script more than me.
Experience ज़्यादा है.
Experience is more. So I often think before I answer. My father, when I tell him something, his first reaction is. And then he will go and think. He'll take a round, walking. He'll go around the set, and then he'll put up the shot that I said. So it's fun, it's great. We have a great equation. क्योंकि जो communication, जो lines हैं, वो open हैं, वो free हैं. और I love it. I love the process. I love the fact that in my father's films मुझे मौका मिलता है to experience and explore my own filmmaking. Desires and my visions. मजा आता है.
Kids adore you. What is that special quality in you which makes you so endearing to the kids?
Do you know how difficult it is to make
100%.
a child laugh?
Of course it is.
अगर एक बच्चा है जो रूठा हुआ है.
Correct.
और उसको हंसाने की कोशिश अगर आप करो तो it is
It's very taxing
thing to make children happy.
Yes. तो ये क्या क्वालिटी है आप में?
I am not even going to think about that. क्योंकि अगर मुझे पता लग गया कि वो क्या है, then maybe it'll go away. So I'm very happy. I feel so much gratitude कि I have the love of the purest form of love.
Correct.
Is the children's love.
Correct.
अगर वो is I'm blessed with that, then I'm a happy man. I don't have to think about क्या है. I must be doing something. Maybe this is just the person I am. I don't know. Why think about something that
That's right. ऋतिक, क्रिश 3 को लेकर वापस बात करते हैं. इसमें कहा जाता है कि विजुअल इफेक्ट्स जो है, हमने अब तक फिल्म नहीं देखी है, लेकिन ऐसा कहा जाता है कि विजुअल इफेक्ट्स जो है इस फिल्म में दे आर ऑफ द काइंड नेवर बिफोर सीन ऑन इंडियन सिनेमा. हिंदी स्क्रीन पर ऐसे कभी देखने को नहीं मिले हैं विजुअल इफेक्ट्स. एंड जैसा आपने भी इंटरव्यू जब शुरू हुआ था तब कहा था कि शायद हॉलीवुड वाले सोचे कि हम इतना पैसा, इतने डॉलर्स लगाकर एक फिल्म बनाते हैं, इंडिया हैज मेड इट प्रोबेबली 2 or 3% ऑफ द कॉस्ट. Where are we wasting our money? तो ऐसी visual effects के बारे में कुछ बताइए हमें.
The visual effects experience जो रहा मेरा in this film has been so rewarding. I can't express. It was working with Red Chillies and उनकी जो team है, they are just amazing. हमारे जो artists हैं, they are capable of better, not even just as good, but they are capable of better than what Hollywood can do.
क्या बात.
They really are. All they need is some faith, some trust and a vision. अगर आपने उनको vision दिया तो they will create it. It is just about articulating that vision. So special effects in this film, I think that's the USP in a way. Apart from the fact that ये जो special effects हैं, they are around a lot of emotions. So it's the emotions that are going to make you not even think about the effects.
अच्छा, okay.
So that is what is beautiful about an Indian superhero film.
क्या फिगर्स आप एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं इस फिल्म के लिए, बॉक्स ऑफिस फिगर्स?
I have no idea.
ये तो कोई जवाब नहीं हुआ.
Absolutely no idea.
मगर आप खुश हैं कि आप लोग फ्राइडे को रिलीज कर रहे हैं फिल्म, ना कि मंडे को जैसे पहले प्लान था?
मैं खुश हूँ कि फिल्म कंप्लीट हो चुकी है और रिलीज हो रही है 3 साल के बाद. वहां तक मैं कह सकता हूँ, लेकिन उसके बाद कुछ कहना, कुछ अज्यूम करना, कुछ एक्सपेक्टेशंस रखना, these are all things which are not in our hands. So why bother? Why even bother? Just I've done my best. And as I said, forward motion. Ab mauka hai to go on to my next and put my front foot forward and just go for it.
Thank you, Hrithik. It was a pleasure as always talking to you. Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts on Krish 3 and a whole host of subjects. Thank you.
Thank you.
And here's wishing you the very best. This is Komal Nahata bidding you goodbye.